What is going on, guys? My name is Dom, and today I'm going to be doing the first unboxing of my new PC, and this is the case that is going to be housing all of my components inside it. I have already unboxed it just to check that everything was in there and to make sure that the process of the recorded one went smoother, and also just because I wanted to, check out what was inside the box. So on the back it has the case itself and what it looks like on the inside. Has a panel window here and the NZXT logo. I didn't get the red version, as I said. I got the green one, just as like a load of information, I believe, in loads of colours. No, not colours, languages, sorry. And some of the specifications of the case. The same goes from the side. Okay, so I did try to package it as the way that I got it, and it's just going to be a little bit awkward to take it out here, so I may have to skip. Yeah, I'll be back once I have taken the case outside of the box, so yeah. Alright, so I now have my case out of the box. A few key features that I always find either really nice or really bad on a case is usability with it. Now, this usually includes the power buttons, and the power button to me is really important. I have, I don't know, a crazy thing, and it either has to be a really satisfying click, or it has to be a really nice pressy down one. You know, it's all way. Okay. I think you know what I mean. Let me get my mouse. Like here with my mouse, it's just a normal scroll at the moment, and then when you click it down, it's that kind of thing. Now, generally, I didn't really expect it to be on this case, and it isn't, but just put my mouse aside. Even though it's not, it does have a really satisfying click, and I don't know, that's important to me. I'm not sure if it's important to you, but that's just something that I like to find in cases. So if you would just like to listen, it sounds really nice. Same with the reset button, and there we go. I like how it's really hard to press it with all of your other fingers apart from your thumb, which is really easy to do. Well, not really easy, but it's easier. This probably doesn't go for my case, but anyway. So here you have the window where you will be able to see through all your lovely components, which already has fingerprints on it. So do make sure you don't touch the touch the side panel too much. This is the noise dampening foam. This will be on all the sides of the case apart from the back, because that's where all the airflow needs to get into, and of course where these sort of vents are, which are all the way around apart from this side. There's a lot of people that will be speculating whether the airflow would be good or not, and I can actually tell you straight off that reviewers will say that it won't be, but builders will say that it's brilliant. This is just my personal experience through watching videos. I've seen tons, in fact all of the reviewers that I've watched will say that, it's not very good because of them being so limited to the airflow, but it's really good for all of the people that are building in it. This case, which is one of the reasons why I chose it, is first builder friendly, and yeah, so I'm a first builder. This is going to be my first PC that's going to go in here, and hopefully it's not going to completely cook up. These are all the fans that come with it. There's one here, and there's like, if I take this off, there we go, and then there is 3 at the front. If I remove this panel, there we go. So this is sort of like the dust filter for the fans. If you see down there, there's like a little hook, so if you're wondering how to put it back in, it goes on the hook and snaps back on, like so. All good. So the features, here we have a headphone, a microphone, 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 up top. The actual feel to the case is sort of like a matte, really sort of like a rubbery soft surface. It feels really nice. Aesthetically it looks really nice, and you know, some could argue that it picks up fingerprints pretty easy, but they seem to fade. See, it just fades. See? Cool. So I guess that's a good thing. Inside here we have a SSD tray, in fact 2 of them. I think these are 2.5, although they could be some other size, although I think they're 2.5. This is sort of like a hole for the cables and stuff. There is 2 more holes here for more cables to come up and plug into the SSDs and also the bottom of the motherboard. There is our box of goodies that you will get with every one of these cases, and here are some cable management holes. Whereas on the other side there is going to be stuff. By the way, the NZXT logo down here does light up. Wow, that's actually rubbery. Oh, I thought that would be like plastic or metal, but it actually feels like, you know those rulers that you get when you rub them? That's what it feels like. It feels like one of those, sort of like a rubbery plastic, I feel. I don't know. This lights up and it's really cool. So around here, oh by the way, this also lights up, which is pretty cool. One thing that I forgot to mention is everything apart from these screws, I believe it is, are the thumb screws, and when you twist them off they don't actually come out of the case, as I said, apart from these ones. In our box of goodies, which we get with everything, I haven't actually had a look at this one yet, you will see this wrapped up in cable ties. So, oh, almost dropped it. It's definitely harder unboxing stuff with only one hand. This is totally professional. Okay, here we go. What do we have? We have a user menu. Let's get this out. Come on. Blez. Okay, so we have the user manual, which will tell us everything we need to know about the case. We have some zip ties. We have a extra thumb screw. Actually, I think that's like an SSD mount or something. No, but these are screws that you'll use in building. And these are more screws that you'll use when building. And more screws, so on, so forth. That is a NZXT sticker, which might actually stick on the front. I reckon that looks pretty sick. Oh, by the way, the front of the case is completely bland. I'm really not doing a very good job on this, but I know I'm covering the basics. Here you will have, up top, this is pretty sure the lights. Right, yeah, there's a button at the back here. Press down, it turns on lights that shine and stuff. So that's all good. And here is your fan controller, fan hub thing. Supports up to 10 fans, I believe. 4 of which come with the case, which is pretty good. It does appear that I've run out of charge, and well, not charge, but anyway, I'm so sorry about that. Also, you have like, I believe that's like a Molex or something like that. But you have more stuff in there to do with the case and other things, etc. But anyway, so this is what you'll be mounting your 3.5-inch drive or hard drive on and stuff. Remember, this case was designed for silence, which is why it has like rubberized things there. And also, if you so wish it, for more space, it has mounting holes on the bottom for an SSD, so you can go like a double configuration. If your GPU is more than 10 and 10.2 inches, which is what this way is, then you can always remove a few of these or one of these or however many you need to remove, and just have it, I think it's like a really long GPU. At the top you will have enough space for a radiator, and more than enough space for, say, a Noctua CPU cooler. I personally am going to get the Hyper 212 Evo because I'm a cool kid and everyone says that it's good, so put it back in there. I'm guessing you just do stuff. What's that? I got that right, no? Give it. Yeah, that's right. And just screw it back on. Okay, we are all set. Really? No, we're all set. I'm so immature. If you like this review, then do give it a thumbs up and do sub all the stuff, all the good stuff. And yeah, okay, bye.